Welcome dear friends. In this video we will discuss pair of words from CSS English paper of the year 1974. So let's start. Grateful and gratified. Grateful means feeling or showing an appreciation of kindness or thankful for a benefit received. यानी एहसान की तारीफ या मौसूल होने वाले फ़ायदे के लिए शुक्रगुजार होना. Synonyms are thankful, appreciative, obliged, indebted, and beholden. Example sentences: She was grateful for the support of her friends during difficult times. Gratified. It means pleased or satisfied, often as a result of having one's desires or expectations fulfilled. यानी खुश या मुतमईन, अक्सर किसी की ख्वाहिशात या तवक्कुआत को पूरा करने के नतीजे में. Synonyms are satisfied, content, pleased, fulfilled, and delighted. Example sentences: The successful completion of project gratified him, knowing that his hard work had paid off. Imaginary and imaginative. Imaginary means existing only in imagination, not real, fictional or imaginary. यानी वो चीज़ जो कि सिर्फ तस्वुर में मौजूद होती है, हकीकी नहीं होती बल्कि ख्याली होती है. Synonyms are unreal, fictitious, non-existent, fanciful. Example sentences: The dragon in the fairy tale was an imaginary creature that captured the children's imagination. Imaginative. Imaginative means having a creative and inventive mind, characterized by the ability to think creatively and come up with new ideas. यानी तख्लीकी और इख्तिराई जहन का होना. Synonyms are creative, inventive, original, resourceful. Example sentences: The artist's imaginative paintings reflected a unique perspective, blending reality with creative elements. Negligent and negligible. Negligent refers to a failure to take proper care or showing a lack of attention, often resulting in harm or damage. इससे मुराद मुनासिब देखभाल करने में नाकामी या तवज्जो की कमी ज़ाहिर करना है, जिसके नतीजे में अक्सर नुकसान होता है. Synonyms are careless, inattentive, heedless, irresponsible, remiss. Example sentences: The company was sued for damages due to the negligent maintenance of its equipment. Negligible. Negligible means something so small or insignificant that it can be ignored or considered almost non-existent. यानी इससे मतलब कोई ऐसी चीज़ है जो इतनी छोटी या गैर अहम है कि उसे नज़रअंदाज किया जा सकता है या उसे तकरीबन मौजूद ही नहीं समझा जा सकता है. Synonyms are insignificant, minimal, trivial, inconsequential, minor. Example sentences: The cost increase was negligible and did not significantly impact the overall budget. Placable and placeable. Placable. Placable is an adjective that describes someone who is easily appeased or calmed, capable of being pacified or placated. ये एक सिफत है जो किसी ऐसे शख्स को बयान करती है जो आसानी से मुतमईन या पुरसुकून हो सकता है, यानी पुरसुकून या तसल्ली करने के काबिल हो. Synonyms are forgiving, amiable, mild, tolerant, agreeable. Example sentences: Despite the heated argument, she remained placable and was willing to reconcile with her friend. Placeable. Placeable means something that can be put or situated in a particular location. यानी कोई ऐसी चीज़ जो किसी ख़ास जगह पर रखी जा सके. Synonyms are positionable, locatable, installable, and arrangeable. Example sentences: The furniture in the new office was placeable according to the interior designer's layout plan. Restive and restless. Restive means a state of impatience, uneasiness, or nervousness, especially in a response to restriction or resistance to control. यानी बेसब्री, बेचैनी या घबराहट की हालत, ख़ास तौर पर पाबंदी या कंट्रोल के ख़िलाफ़ मुज़ाहिमत के जवाब में. Synonyms are agitated, uneasy, fidgety, impatient, unruly. Example sentences: the crowd grew restive as they waited for the delayed concert to begin, expressing their impatience through murmurs and shuffling. Restless. It means a lack of interest, calm or relaxation. यानी सुकून या आराम की कमी. Synonyms are fidgety, agitated, unsettled, unquiet, antsy. Example sentences: despite the soothing music, he remained restless throughout the night, tossing and turning in the bed. Thank you for watching this video. Stay blessed.